So we're removing the clock spring. We have these T20 bolts we need to remove. We have one here, and one down here at the bottom. Next, we're getting ready to remove the clock spring from the steering column switch module, which is right underneath it. This is also known as the SZL module. Once you remove the screws, the torque screws for the clock spring, then you also have to lock it, and you have two places here that you need to lock it. If you put a little bit of pressure and pull up on the clock spring, then you can go ahead and insert a flat screwdriver right in here, and then press that tab out.